guys, this is Angie's Tarot and I'm Anjali, and today we are going to do reading for Libra. Alright, and this is going to be a general reading. This is a weekly reading from the 21st to the 27th of September. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates. And before we start our reading, I would express my gratitude to the people who are watching my videos, and I really feel that the people who have subscribed, thank you so much for your kind-heartedness, and I really appreciate you being with me on this journey. And those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your help. Now, as you know that this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take the positives and leave the negatives. All right, and let's start our reading. First we'll do an energy check-in, right, with the energy oracle cards. Right, now let's start reading for Libra. Messages for Libra. Please give me clear, accurate messages for Libra. Accurate messages for Libra. Clear messages for Libra from the 21st to the 27th. What should Libra know for the 21st to the 27th of September? Now, cross watchers are also welcome, and please take only the positives, alright, and the energy can be vice versa, so take it as it resonates. Alright, now let's get into your reading. Now, messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra from the 21st to the 27th? Alright, please give me clear, accurate messages for Libra. Calling in the divine, calling in my spirits, guides and angels for clear messages for Libra. Now, we have broken heart here. Alright, broken heart and the thinking woman. Alright, so looks like you had some kind of an ending here, a painful ending, a breakup, something which is excruciating pain here, sadness, grief. You might be in a phase or in a place where you feel that there is some kind of deep pain here. Somebody might have hurt you, or you might have hurt somebody here. Alright, okay, I can feel an argument here. There might have been some kind of an argument if there was an ending here, ending of a relationship or a situation which has caused you so much of pain here. Then we have got the thinking woman, which means that somebody is trying to help you in a situation, somebody is trying to get you out of that situation, right? Or somebody is still thinking about you, or you are thinking about this person who has broken your heart here. All right, or you might be going through the process of what has happened. We do that, right? We just retrace the steps for what has happened. So I really feel that it might be you thinking about them, or them vice versa, or I really feel that this can be also somebody trying to help you through this tough situation. We have journey here, so it looks like you are starting on a new journey here, which means that was a huge ending there, right? So you might be starting on a new journey, you might be shifting places, or you might be starting, this might be physical movement or spiritual as well, right? This might be moving to alright, this might be you moving towards a total new location, or moving a job, or spiritually moving to something new here. Alright, journey. Now, messages, 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 messages for Libra, messages for Libra, please, messages for Libra, messages for Libra, messages for Libra, please. Door to personal healing and happiness. So this is the time, this is a journey you're making towards healing and happiness. So I really feel that this is a journey. This looks like a spiritual journey here, guys. I really feel that you're starting on a new journey. Somebody is helping you to move forward. You might have a spiritual guru, or you might be you have somebody who is with you to help you go through this process, an ending here. Yeah, I really feel that this looks like a spiritual journey to me. So you might be moving on to something new, and you're moving towards healing and happiness. So once this heal, you need to heal that broken heart over there, right? You need to go through a process of cleansing and healing, and accepting. I really feel that healing comes from a situation or a place of acceptance and dealing with it. I really feel that once you start accepting the situation, you will heal, right? And then happiness comes into your life. You are open to new ideas and new situations here. Alright, so that is your energy messages for Libra. Now let's get some moon oracle messages, moonology cards for you guys. Let's get clear, accurate messages for Libra. Clear, accurate messages for Libra, please. What are the clear, accurate messages for Libra? What should Libra know from the 21st to the 27th of September? Messages for Libra, please. Messages. I'm sorry for that, guys. We have conclusions are within reach. Ending, right? So we know that there's a broken heart there, right? So conclusions are within reach. This card clearly talks about an ending here. So I really feel that there is an ending of a cycle here, full moon eclipse. So there is an ending here, all right? So you will get a complete clarity of things. You are going towards an ending here. You are very close to achieving your goal. So which means you might be leaving the situation because it's for your highest good here. So which means that you might be ending a situation because you feel that this might be a tough situation to hold on to, or you might feel that this is not helping you reach where you want to reach, right? I really feel that a spiritual connection, but I really feel that you're not ready for it anyways. Now you are very close to achieving your goal, which means that I really feel that this, if you're ending something, I really feel that this is the right time to do it, and I really feel that you are putting an end to something huge here. Now let's see. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra, please. What are the messages for Libra from the 21st to the 27th? Excuse me. Messages for Libra. Please give me clear, precise, accurate messages for Libra from the 21st to the 27th of September. Guide me to get messages for Libra. All right, messages for Libra, please. Hold your vision. Hold on to your vision. See clearly. This means that you are putting an end to something which is putting so much of burden onto you. And I really feel that you're moving towards closing of a cycle here. I feel that hold on to that vision, right? Hold on to the vision where you are moving forward, bringing that energy. Nothing is set in stone, which means that the outcome might change. Maybe you need to change your vision, right? Hold your vision, fixed moon, which means that there are other options available, or there are other opportunities, or you are seeing from one side. You might be seeing from your point of view. You might retrace the steps, and you might think from the other person's viewpoint as well. Maybe that will help you change the outcome. Nothing is yet set in stone. It clearly, alright, I'm terribly sorry. That clearly says that the outcome is not yet fixed, which means that you can change the outcome, which means that you have the capability to change the outcome, because you might be seeing only things from your perspective, or one-sided thinking only. So I really feel that if you're ending something, and I really feel that if you're doing it for something, you need to understand things from the other person's perspective as well, because you can change your outcome here. Alright, things can change. Now let's get your tarot here, guys. Tarot for Libra. Messages for Libra. Please guide me. Help me bring accurate, clear messages for Libra. Give me clear, accurate messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra? What are the messages for Libra? Thank you. We have Five of Swords. Looks like a fight here. There was some kind of a disagreement, a fight. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. It's your energy I'm getting here. I really feel that there was some kind of a fight here. Somebody might have. This looks like an egoistical thing here. You might be stepping onto somebody's decisions. I really feel that you might be stepping onto somebody's ego. I really feel that this is an egoistical fight. You might feel that this is one-sided thinking. I really feel that this is one-sided thinking. Somebody is very stubborn in this connection, and they are not seeing others' point of view. Or if you feel that you have hurt them, you know that you have hurt them, but you are not accepting it. Okay, Five of Swords energy. Disagreement, fights here, alright? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra? Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra? Excuse me. Alright. We have got more cards today. Let's see. So we have the High Priest here. Taurus energy. I'm getting Taurus energy here. This card talks about, this is a Hierophant, right? This is soul connection. This is also stepping into some kind of a contract. This is like an upgrade card here. This means that you're moving towards some kind of a contract, or you might have had some kind of disagreement in a contract, in a commitment. Maybe it's your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Maybe it can also be a boss here. This might be something legal as well. You might have some kind of a fight which had entered a contract here. Ten of Pentacles. We have stability here, money. This also means that there is stability coming into your life. You might be starting on a journey, or you might be starting on a contract, bringing that stability into your life. Materialistic stability. Now, we have the World here, ending of a cycle here, right? This means that you have other opportunities waiting for you. You have all the tools you need to start on a new journey, or a new contract, or a new job, or a new life. Eight of Wands, communication open. So which means that there is fast communication coming towards you, right? There is clarity coming towards you. Eight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And Ten of Pentacles and High Priestess. We have Taurus here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy here. Alright. Now let's get more messages for Libra. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. What are the messages for Libra from the 21st to the 27th of September? We have the Star card here. This card talks about an Aquarius, alright? This can also be about not losing hope. There is still hope in a situation. There is divine guidance coming towards you. Things might change quickly, right? Somebody's wishing on a star here. And then we have Eight of Cups here. Somebody's moving away. I really feel that somebody might have left a situation here. Somebody might be moving on to something better. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra, please. What are the messages for Libra from the 21st to the 27th of September? Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra. Thank you. Ace of Water. Somebody is moving towards a new beginning here. New beginning in love. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is true happiness, true joy, true love here. And Ace of Fire. Multiple opportunities. There is passionate new beginning here. Alright, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So I really feel that you have multiple choices here. Two opportunities coming towards you. Wow. Now let's see. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. So there are choices for you guys here. There's a passionate new beginning with the Ace of Fire and the King of Fire coming towards you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Alright. So somebody is very determined and passionate here with the King of Fire. Right? Somebody knows what they want. Somebody knows exactly what they want. They're very curious about you, or you might be curious about them. Alright? They are very determined, passionate, playful energy, full of fire energy. Alright? Let's see. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra. Messages for Libra, please. What are the messages for Libra? Messages for Libra, please. What are the messages for Libra? Messages for Libra, please. What are the messages for Libra? What are the messages for Libra? Excuse me, guys. I needed 3 and I got 3. What's happening? Ace of Air here. Clarity, cutting off unwanted things from your life. This means somebody is coming towards you with clarity of thought here, alright? With the Ace of Air here. And we have Queen of Water. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This is somebody who is very mature, very loving, very caring kind of an energy here. This is somebody who knows, somebody who's like very caring, very loving energy, more mature energy here. Deep, soulful kind of an energy I'm getting. Free flowing, loving, nurturing energy here, right? And we have the 10 of Pentacles bringing stability into your situation. I really feel that we are getting it twice here. Yeah, we have twice. 10 of Pentacles coming out twice in your... This might be even about closing of a cycle, right? 10 means bringing all the stability, abundance and prosperity into your life, and closing of a cycle. And let's see what's the outcome. Oh, love is the outcome, guys. Getting together, soulmate, twin flame connection, lovers energy here. There's so much of love here. So this is all about love for you. I'm getting only love related readings now. What's happening? So it looks like there is some kind of new start in love. You might be meeting your soulmate or a twin flame connection here. Alright? This is all about meeting, coming together of the opposite energy, right? The yin and the yang, right? Now let's get clarifiers, guys. I need to get clarifiers. Now let's see. Okay, guys. Let's shuffle one more time. Okay, one more. Can't get enough shuffles, right? Now let's see. Five of Swords energy. Why is the Five of Swords? Thank you so much. So it looks like there was a fight regarding something which might feel that somebody might be moving. This might be regarding somebody having a new option here or a new opportunity here. Or maybe after this fight somebody got a new opportunity. Alright, with the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, a seed being planted for something steady in the future. So it looks like a solid opportunity coming your way. I really feel that with this ending, with this fight happening, somebody might have got a new opportunity. With the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this might be money coming into your life. This might be a new contract, new opportunity in job. Yeah, looks like that maybe that's the reason you have broken up, because I really feel that somebody is moving here. Why is the Three of Swords here? Clarify the Three of Swords. So somebody have a new option and somebody got hurt here. Ending of a cycle. Ten of Wands here. So somebody might have been holding on to something so bad. I really feel that there's a burdening energy here. Somebody might have put a lot of burden into this ending. So somebody's still holding on to that ending here. Too much of burden, holding on to that burden, right? And we have the Ace of Pentacles, which means that this is the time for you to move on, right? I really feel that it's time for you to put it down, start on, right? Because we have the Ace of Pentacles here. So I really feel that after this ending, I really feel that you are getting a new opportunity, a new steady opportunity. And we have the Hierophant next. Let's see. We have the Hierophant, right? Yeah, we have the Hierophant here. Let's see. Clarify the Hierophant, please. Taurus energy. Why is the Hierophant here? Why is the High Priest here? Clarify the High Priest. Thank you. Yeah. So I really feel that somebody is moving on from a contract, right? Moving towards a new contract here with Eight of Cups. Somebody is moving on to a King of Wands energy. Somebody is moving on to something more passionate here. All right. Are you still attached to this person? Yeah, because I just saw the shadow side here, the Devil energy. So I really feel that with this contract coming in, I really feel that somebody is moving towards a new beginning, new contract with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. King of Wands, very determined, very passionate, because I really feel that you are moving towards something better or more fiery, passionate energy here. Alright. Hangman, Pisces energy as well. Take it as it resonates, which means that there is some kind of a delay here. Which means that you are thinking, still on a process of thinking how, why, what here. Alright. Now let's see, Ten of Pentacles. I really feel that you're moving towards a stable environment or a secure environment here with the Ten of Pentacles. Are you manifesting a new opportunity here? I really feel that you might be manifesting, or somebody is manifesting this stability into your life, and we have the Emperor here again. Alright? So I really feel that you are manifesting stability here. Authority, stability. I really feel that you are determined to bring that stability into your life. Alright? Now let's clarify the World. Why is the World here? Bringing an ending of a cycle here, closing of a cycle and starting of another. There is still hope in a situation with an Aquarius most probably, or there is still hope in a situation. Somebody might be hoping for an ending of this painful cycle here, right? Why is the World with the Star here? Two major arcanas, guys. And we have a Magician and the Emperor also. Both are Aries energy. So I really feel that somebody is manifesting, Aries is manifesting a huge stability. Look at that. The Sun and the Star coming out. What's happening? Now I really feel that with this ending of a cycle, somebody is hoping for a new beginning or a new stability in their life here. And then we have the Eight of Wands here, which means that there is communication coming towards you. Yes, please. Bringing stability. Beautiful. Queen of Pentacles, which means that there is stability coming into your life. No. Four of Cups. Why is the Four of Cups here? Clarify the Four of Cups here. Oh my God. Okay, somebody's holding on to you. Somebody feels that you are their soulmate. So somebody is being very determined and very stubborn here, and somebody is lost in their thoughts, or you might be lost in your own thoughts about them. being very stubborn here, right? You're just focusing on what has happened and not seeing what's coming in your life. So please change your focus. This is a time for you to focus. This card is coming left, right, and center. If it comes out again, I'm gonna pick it out. All right? It's the devil, anyways. Now let's see. hmm Now the star. Let's clarify the star here. Why is the star here? Clarify the star energy. Why is the star here? Clarify the star, please. Why is the star here? Clarify the star. Star is an Aquarian energy. This can also mean that there is still hope in a situation. Why is the star here? You might be feeling that this person is your soulmate. You have enough. I really feel that you're living on somebody's memories. You don't have to do that. There are things coming towards you. There is stability coming into your life, but you're very much, yeah, it's the closing of a cycle, guys. Come on. There are things moving. Things are moving. There is completion here. Things moving here, alright? Now, why is the star with the wheel of the year? Why is the star with the wheel of the year here? I really feel that there is movement here. There is hope here. There is movement forward. So, let's see. Why is the wheel of with the star here? Clarify the wheel of the year with the star. Clarify the wheel of the year with the star here. Clarify the wheel of the year with the star. Clarify the... Yes, please. Reconciliation, guys. 3 of Cups. So I really feel that somebody with the... I think there is somebody coming back into your life with the 3 of Cups energy. Third party situation was probably. So I really feel that there is changes coming towards you with time, and I really feel that there is reconciliation here. Now let's go with the 8 of Water. 8 of Cups here. Somebody is moving away from an existing situation as it's not helping them grow. Somebody is moving towards a new beginning. Somebody is moving towards the 10 of Cups, bringing stability, love, happiness in their life. Now, why is the Ace of Cups here? Clarify the Ace of Cups. Ace of Water, new love, happiness, new beginnings in love, right? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Why is the Ace of Water here? Clarify the Ace of Water. Clarify the Ace of Water here. Clarify the Ace of Cups here. Why is the Ace of Cups? Thank you. Yeah. 2 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energies, and the Fool. So I really feel that you are trying to juggle things here, somebody is, but then there is a new opportunity knocking at your door, and then you're trying to start, you're taking a leap of faith into a situation, and we have the 4 of Wands here. I haven't seen you in so long. Welcome. Thank you for gracing this spread. Thank you. Now you are taking a leap of faith, and looks like there is some kind of an event or a foundation being built here. So I really feel that you are trying to juggle something, and with this new opportunity, you are taking a leap of faith and building some kind of a foundation there with the 4 of Wands here. All right, manifesting. Somebody is manifesting togetherness here. Now Ace of Fire. Why is the Ace of Fire here? Clarify the Ace of Fire. Somebody is unable to let you. I really feel that somebody is thinking about you non-stop, or you are bringing all those thoughts, panic, anxiety into your life. So there is balance coming into your life. Libra energy, that is you. I really feel like you're putting a stop to it. Please do. Alright. There is balance coming into your life with the Justice card. Equal fairness to all here with the Justice here. Now, why is the King of Fire here? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Why is the King of Fire here? Let's see. Why is the King of Fire here? Clarify the King of Fire. Alright. 4 of Pentacles. Somebody is holding on to you so dearly. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. So somebody is not moving on, right? Somebody is trying to hold on to something very dearly here. 4 of Pentacles. Maybe somebody is holding on to that stability or the thoughts they had in the past here, right? Now let's see. Why is the 4 of Pentacles with the King of Fire? Why is the 4 of Pentacles with the King of Fire here? 3 of Wands here. So somebody wants to move forward. Somebody is looking forward for the ships to come in. But I really feel that somebody is holding on to you. Why is the 4 of Pentacles here? Clarifying 4 of Pentacles. Somebody is coming in. I really feel that you are expecting this person to come in. I have a feeling that you know that this person is going to come in. Somebody is deciding here with the Queen of Swords here. I really feel that it's you who is making the decision here, right? Okay, I really feel that you might be starting on a new journey, or this person comes in suddenly. then it's decision time for you. Queen of Swords here. Let's see. Ace of Air, clarity. So you are cutting off people to bring clarity into a situation, and we have the Nine of Cups, which means that there is fulfillment, right? Wish fulfillment coming towards you, emotional fulfillment. I really feel that with the Nine of Cups, I really feel that you are one step closer to whatever you're wishing for, right? Now, why is the Ace of Air with the Nine of Cups here? Ace of Air with the Nine of Cups. Why is the Ace of Air with the Nine of Cups here? Ace of Air. Ace of Air is all about clarity, cutting off unwanted things, right? It's all about thoughts here. So I really feel that somebody's putting all their thoughts into wish fulfillment here with the Nine of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy here. Ace of Cups with the Nine of Cups, please clarify. Ace of Air with the Nine of Cups, clarify please. Ace of Air with the Nine of Cups. That's it? No? Yeah, there you go. Alright, Chariot. So there is definitely forward movement with the Chariot, Cancer energy. So I really feel that you might be taking responsibility on your shoulders. You are understanding things as a whole, conditioning yourself, moving forward, right? You are taking the power with you guys. More power to you guys. Now let's see, Queen of Water. Queen of Water is all about understanding things more deeply, emotional fulfillment. It's all about understanding things, loving, healing. This can also occur about healing, right? Deep understanding of things, understanding things and leaving things. This also is about healing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So I really feel that you're taking this, you're cutting all this, things which is holding you back, and you're moving forward. I really feel that's liberation here. Now, Queen of Water. Clarify the Queen of Water. It's high time you leave it. Don't hold on to thoughts which is pulling you back. Queen of Water. Decisions being made here. I really feel that there is clarity of thoughts. Once you are healing, there is clarity of thoughts coming towards you with the Ace of Swords here. So you are cutting off unwanted people. There is clarity. There is truth coming out of a situation. Now let's see. Queen of Water with the Ace of Swords. Why is the Queen of Water with the Ace of Swords? Why is the Queen of Water with the Ace of Swords? Alright. Oh, you have options. Okay, this card is coming out left, right and center in most of my readings. Annoys me. Doesn't matter. So there are options coming in for you guys. There are multiple options, and I really feel that you're not ready to choose because we have the Four of Swords here. So you are taking time to rest and recuperate and understand things more from within. Right, yes. Emotional development. I really feel that this is the time for you to trying to balance your situation with the Temperance energy. You are being very patient here. You are testing the waters. You are trying to take that, rest and cooperation, forward. You are liking it. I really feel that with the water energy here, I really feel that this is a flowing energy here. Alright, the Temperance Sagittarius energy. I really feel that there might be a Sagittarius in your chart, or it's the other person who is coming in. Then we have the Ten of Earth here. Clarify the Ten of Earth. There's a new beginning, ending of a huge cycle. Ten of Earth, Pentacles, materialistic stability, money, opportunities coming in. And with the Empress, I really feel that you're getting. I'm sorry for that. Now you are getting a new opportunity here, bringing that stability into your life. Or this is a start of something huge, guys. Birth of a child, a new idea, or even a new job or a new relationship. We have the Page of Swords here. Somebody is trying to defend themselves. This might be you. Seven of Swords energy. Somebody is not telling you the truth, or you are not. Are you stalking somebody here? Yeah? That looks like a yes here. Don't do that. Alright. Now, why is the Page of Swords with the Seven of Swords? This is your energy, guys. So, I really feel that you are trying to defend your position here. If chance arises, I really feel that there's a new beginning here. I really don't know why is the Page of Swords here with the Seven of Swords. Why is the Page with the 7 here? Why is the Page of Swords with the 7 of Swords here? Clarify the Page of Swords with the 7. Yes, please. Oh, crossroads. Again, Two of Wands. You have everything you need in your hand, or somebody does have everything they need, but they are not happy there. They are looking at the World Wide Web. Okay, somebody's stalking. Alright, I get that. This is somebody stalking here. Definite stalking energy here. Yes, please. Yeah. They might. Okay. What I'm getting is that they are thinking that you are emotionally fulfilled, you are so beautiful, you are in a throne, understanding situations more clearly, you are emotionally abundant here. I really feel that they think you are more emotionally abundant here with the Queen of Cups here, right? You might have healed, you might be glowing, you might be in a place of complete understanding here with the Queen of Cups here, and they are stopping you. That's all they can do, right? Now let's see. Clarify the love card here. Clarify the love card here. Why is the love? The overall energy. Love is your overall energy for you guys. So there is love coming towards you. I really feel that you have multiple opportunities here waiting for you. Okay, now let's see. Why is the love here? Clarify the love. Why is the love here? Clarify the love energy. Why is the love card here? Clarify the love. Why is the love here? Clarify the love, please. Beautiful energy, guys. Love. Why is the love here? Why is the love here in the overall energy? Please give me clear, accurate messages for Libra. Love. Why is the love card here? Clarify the love. Love doesn't always mean about two people, right? It also means that self-love, self-healing, accepting your, opening your heart chakra. It's all about accepting yourself as well. So I really feel that you need to go through that healing to understand yourself more better. Maybe when a bad thing happens, it's all about understanding yourself more, right? How you're gonna. Six of Swords. I knew that you're moving on. So I really feel that you're moving on towards something better here. Six of Swords is all about moving on to something better, leaving a situation, right? Leaving that fight, leaving that Five of Swords energy and moving towards love here. Yeah. With a Page of Wands here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, fresh new start, a new offer coming towards you. This is all about young energy, young Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And there is money coming towards you with the Page of Pentacles. This is your overall week, okay? That is the essence of your reading. So there is a new love interest, a few fiery, passionate energy, and there is work-related opportunities, money, passionate, new beginnings in your work as well. Page of Pentacles is a small opportunity coming towards building that future in your job, money, materialistic things. All right, now strength, Leo energy. I really feel that you are being very strong and very courageous here, alright, with the strength card coming out. You should be. I'm proud of you. And the Eight of Wands coming out clearly indicating that there is messages coming towards you. And look at the bottom of the deck. King of Pentacles, there is stability coming towards you. There is a commitment coming towards you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So I really feel that you have a new start. You are moving towards a new beginning in a passionate new start with somebody, and there is money here as well. So there are communication coming in, and there is stability with the King of Pentacles here. Beautiful, guys. I think your reading is brilliant, but there is a bit of stuck up energy. I really feel that you are self-doubting yourself, which is main reason why you are going on and off about a situation. Healing. For me, I really feel that you need to heal from within. There is nothing wrong with you. Situation changes. See, we remember that? Those cards clearly saying that you need to change your perspective to understand a situation, because nothing is set in stone here. So the outcome might change. You need to change your thoughts. You need to change your thinking. You need to heal from within, guys. Alright? So Libra, this is your reading from the 21st to the 27th of September. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. And please, guys, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.